Hello everyone! Kumusta guys? How are you? In today's update, let's start with some bad news or good news. Ano ba? Philippines peso further weakens to 54.90 against US dollar. The Philippine peso has been the weakest since November 2005. Well, it's good news for you guys who are working abroad or living abroad. You have families here whom you're supporting. It means that your money will be bigger, no? The money that you send here in the Philippines will be bigger. In fact, I was checking today with different remittance companies. If you guys want to avail of the big exchange rate, there's Western Union, Wise, Zoom, World Remit, Pangay, and Remitly. For existing customers, still Wise has the best conversion rate at 54.90 against $1. Mas malaki pa rin compared to these remittance companies. This is not sponsored. I'm also an avid user of Wise. I'm just sharing, guys. While it's not just the US dollars that's increased, also the Canadian dollar to Philippine peso po is mataas. Today I was checking this afternoon. 1 Canadian dollar is equal to 42.59 Philippine peso. Wow! Even UAE's dirhams, mataas din. 1 dirham is equal to 14.95 Philippine peso. Napakataas. Even Saudi Arabian Riyals is equal to 14.63 Philippine peso. So yes, the weaker the peso, it's good news for OFWs, people who are earning foreign currencies. Pero despite of that, it's not all good news, no? Because, well, a weaker peso means inflation, means that the prices of goods and services here in the Philippines po will increase. Malaki nga yung conversion, pero mas malaki naman yung gasto sa Philippines. A lot of us may fail to see that inflation will erode whatever has been gained because the peso is weaker. So, hindi din siya all good news. At least for those of you, malaki yung conversion, it may be the best time to send money to the Philippines. If you're somebody who wants to buy property or avail of that exchange rate, a weaker peso. In the Philippines, it will be harder for us to attain economic recovery as yun nga, weak yung peso. Tapos, you have to add the skyrocketing prices of petroleum products. Have you guys seen? Oh my God, ang mahal na po ng gasolina. And because of that, fuel surcharges to rise in July as jet fuel prices soar. Meaning, mas magmamahal po yung mga presyo ng aeroplano, ng mga ticket po ninyo, airfares. The Civil Aeronautics Board of the Philippines says that fuel prices continued to spike in June, which warranted another increase in fuel surcharge for the month of July. According to CAB, the July rates may reach level 11. Currently, it's at level 7 lang, pero it will be increased na po under level 11, magiging, oh my gosh, from 355 fuel surcharge for a one-way domestic flight, it could increase to 1,000. And then for international, from 1,000, it will increase to 8,700. Oh my God. And the rates depend on the distance of the flights.
Como nag-shoot up talaga yung prices ngayon sa world market, lumampas na dun sa charts natin. So we revised the charts so that our charts now contains 21 levels.
Philippine Airlines says the issue has not dampened travel demand at all. People are still traveling. The appetite for travel is high. According to them, travelers have an opportunity to enjoy lower fares via their year-round promotional offerings. Even Cebu Pacific says they are grappling with higher fuel costs and they have no choice to implement them. However, they continue to see strong demand for air travel. So don't think that tourism spots are empty or tourism destinations are empty, guys. Filipinos are still traveling. So airlines are really doing their parts naman to mitigate na hindi pataasan yung plane tickets. Pero some things are out of their control. Iba't ibang promotions ginagawa, diba? You see Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, merong mga anniversaries, mga piso fare. they want people to travel, pero they have to increase to reflect the increasing cost kasi baka hindi din sila maging sustainable. So, of course, itong mga nangyayari na ito is out of control of the Philippines naman. Ukraine war, pagtaas ng interest rate sa US, nakakalungkot, pero you guys are heroes. The more you send money to the Philippines, you're not just helping your family, but you're helping the whole country. So you are heroes, guys. You OFWs, Filipinos overseas, living abroad, who are supporting their families here or investing in the country, you are heroes. Salamat po sa ginagawa ninyo. Nakakatulong po yan sa ekonomiya ng bansa. For those who haven't booked their ticket yet and are worried because of news about the increase in airfares, plane tickets po, you can still find good deals, guys, if you just keep on checking with different airlines po. Just checking today nga, even if you book 1 month ahead today, Los Angeles to Manila, you can still buy or get tickets, return tickets na nasa 1,400. This one is with Asiana. PAL usually is higher, is more expensive than other airlines. Pero if you book and compare po with other airlines, with different airlines, still possible to find good deals. But as always, it's important if you want a cheaper flight to book months ahead. No, it may be best if you have miles with airlines, gamitin nyo na. Use it now. There are still flights worth $800 for return tickets from the US if you book months ahead. It's expected that the war in Ukraine will continue pa, so we can expect that the cost of petrol will still continue to increase pa. Kaya kung bibili kayo, bibili na kayo ngayon. Yun lang po ang update natin today. A weaker peso means your guys' money are bigger for conversion. Pero you may expect that if you're supporting families here in the Philippines, that they may ask for more kasi mas mahal na po. The prices of goods and services here are increasing na talaga. The inflation rate is high. While for kababayans who are still looking at their tickets, nako, tingin-tingin na po, double check na, baka magtaas na po yan very, very soon. Kasi nga yung fuel surcharge, tataasan pa din. So God bless you all po. Ito lang po ang aking what I can share to overseas Filipinos and some foreign nationals. God bless you all. And if you have anything to add, comment down below.